Fytti helvete, 3 minutter, så kom alle, vet du. Fordi det er chips. Der er det chips. There is chips. Look at all those seagulls. For fuck's sake. I'm too close, you know. Ja, fort da. It's yours. Fort da, fort da. Fort da. Ja, fort da, ta den. Fort da, ta den. Do. Want some red lights? Det är till dig ute. Ja, fortsätt ta dem. Ja, fortsätt ta. Ja, fortsätt. Ja, fortsätt ta. Fortsätt ta. Fortsätt. Ja, fortsätt ta. Nej. Ja, det är till dig. Og det er ikke til dere. Det er ikke til deg. Ja, futter. I'm surprised that the seagulls didn't dare to go down. I didn't do something with my hands or nothing. So I just pushed the energy forward because it is the magpie's food. That's why I'm throwing it out, because the seagulls can go everywhere. They find food so damn easy because they are so obnoxious, so what to say in English. They are not so scared to take food out of your hands, many of them. If you eat a sandwich in a boat, they fucking get the sandwich out of your... You just look what I'm saying. Nej. 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 Now one have dared to take in one chips. And the rest of them want to have... Well, I have more for the more food for the magpies, so... Meh. 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 Those sky, look at the sky. For fuck's sake, it's going to be thundered. Maybe that's why it has been so heavy. Because it's so damn warm. They fucking don't dare to go down and take it. That surprises me, because they are so... What the fuck is that in English? That word when you... In Norwegian it's frekk. They are not afraid to take food. But they don't dare to go down and take it. Just as... It's almost as they already know that the food isn't for them. You know? What are they? I'm sitting here filming birds. Oh, I love it. So... Hello. Look at the black clouds. For an hour ago there were no clouds, just like over there. And suddenly this looks like there's going to be a little bit rain, but that's good, I think. But the sky looks like thunder skies, don't you think? Look at those skies. It's beautiful though. The sun is beginning to hide. Look at those skies. In 20 minutes all those clouds were coming. Look at they don't give up easily though. They should have that. Yeah, I'm still sitting here. They are afraid when I look at them. Am I that ugly? uh, I wonder what those flowers that is in the grass is called in English. In Norwegian we call them gullsko, and that means golden shoe in English. They are pretty. If you look at them. Oh my god, my zoom. Oh, I give up. And those is also very beautiful. That is Virgo's flowers, you know? Those sky blue flowers. And in Norwegian they are called Forglemmei. But if I translate that to English, it's forget me not. And I know that is one of the flowers that belongs to the sign Virgo. Look at those birds. They fucking don't give up. How long have I been? Oh, almost 20 minutes now. You know, when you look, I see I don't know if my camera will catch up. You know, when the leaves are shaking, you know, so in a special way, there will be rain. And I'm just saying it, and it started to rain. As I speak. Oh my god. Suddenly the rain comes as the sun is up. You know? For an hour ago the sun was clear. Or just 30 minutes ago. That's funny how you can look at nature and you see, you can learn how science, by just as I said now, by the trees, that I can see that it's going to rain soon. Oh, the little butterfly. Oh, I must set myself a little bit longer in so I don't get wet, you know. I think it's going to be thunder. Because, yeah, I really think so. Yeah. And as that come to mind, if you want me to do the rest of the star signs, comment down below on this video, because if you want me to read for the rest of them for July, because I took the first half for June, and if you want me to do July for Scorpio to Pisces, Sagittarius, Capricorn, Aquarius and Pisces. If you want, god damn, it's raining. Look at that. Suddenly the sky just opened. It smells so good though. Oh, I love it when it rains. The smell. And I asked for it actually yesterday because, as you see, the nature needs a little bit watering. It has been so sunny the last days and so fucking warm. But I love it though. Getting a little bit of tan. And D vitamin. Vitamins, what it is in English. Oh my god, look. It's pouring. Oh. But I also been thinking about doing something new. Doing love signs for or predicting, just talking about love, how love questions. I don't know. Many people are satisfied with the ones I'm doing, but I'm going to shorten them up a little bit. I'm almost giving a full reading for every sign, over an hour, but I like to serve, but it takes a lot of time, so I'm going to maybe just do a 3 cards reading. So look, oh, I just love it. It's so warm. I think it's going to be thunder. Look at that. There is sunny. And here it's just raining over me. It's me and Donald Duck, you know. No, I'm not sad. Actually, I'm quite fine. Everything goes smoother when the summer comes, you know. And you get some D vitamins and sun. The sun is shining and the weather is sweet. Oh my god! I think, where is the thunder? I said earlier now that I thought that, oh no, I saw a butterfly getting wet and just down, you know, you just fall down over there. Poor little butterfly. It was some heavy raining, big drops also, but the nature needed it, as I said. Was that thunder? Oh, was that a car? Look, it's sunny. And the seagull doesn't give up, you know. And now it's clouding up. Look, it's very special sky. Look at that lights. Heavenly lights. And there, the sun pointing behind the sky. And here it's all sunny. And here it's all rainy. Strange weather. You don't give up, do you? There's a road that goes behind over there. That is a minus though, when it rains, that you hear the cars louder because of the wheels on the road, you know, the wet road. I don't know what that is in English, but in Norwegian it's asphalt. And then it seems like it's over. And the sky is beginning to open up. It's a bit strange over there though. And this seagull still gives all in. But it doesn't dare to take the food when I sit here. Just if I go in, it will be gone in about 1 minute. Vær så god. Vær så god. Ja, ta det. Ja, ta det. Ja, du kan få. Ja, du kan. You can have some. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, you can take some. He's still scared because he knows it's not supposed to already, so. Welcome. He doesn't dare to take it. Funny. Almost. Yeah, it is yours. You're welcome. You're welcome. Vær så god. Ja, vær så god. Vær så god. Ja, vær så god. Vær så god. Ta du. Yeah, I know it's hard. It's a hard knock life for us. We can't get any food from that damn witch. It's the first time I've seen seagulls respect somebody. at all. There I got. No, you don't get it. Varsågod. You're welcome. Tok ifra deg nå. Varsågod. For fuck's sake, don't you understand Norwegian? Beautiful blue sky. Beautiful color. There's a little strange color over there. Look at them, sky. So different. All around is a different type, you know. What does that cloud look like? That looked just like a poltergeist, you know. Nei, du. Nå kan dere gå. Nå kan du gå bort. Now it's enough. They don't fucking scare my magpies. I'm going to take them. Yeah. Did you hear it? My little one is in the tree. Now it seems like it's... I hear them screaming, but... It's the magpie's food, you know. I think the magpie understand that I'm not angry at them now. Let's see. I think it's a little bit exciting though. How nature works, you know. Yeah, listen. To all my Virgos that is ruled by the fire goddess Vulcan. She is the goddess of thunder. Thunder is ruled by Virgo, you know. And I love it. I said it would be thunder. Oh, listen. Oh, I love it. It's so nice when the thunder, after the thunder, you know, because it's much lighter. It lifts the air so it's not so heavy and warm, you know. So this is a very welcome thunder. I have asked for it for 3 days because it's been so heavy, but the sky has been clear blue, so. But finally, some drops of rain and for the nature and a little thunder for us humans to survive in this heat. It's been so damn warm. But I shouldn't complain because people always complain. Always said that I'm not going to move far from Norway because I have lived in Sweden for a couple of years, but Norway is so long, so we have everything in Norway that we want if you want just most winter. But here on the southeast it's all 4 seasons, and that, as the witch that I am, I love the autumn and I love the spring and the summer. I love winter in some way also because I hate the cold, and I can't breathe anymore when it's very cold outside. I have to wear a mask for my asthma. So, oh, listen. I would hope that it would be a little louder though. It's just a little bloom in the far. But no lightning. I'm not sure it's going to be so much lightning, but yeah, what was I saying? I was saying that the thunder and the 4 seasons. I love that we have all the 4 seasons equal, you know? Not too much winter and not too much summer. And in the winter we have always the obligation to go somewhere. You can travel to the Pacifics if you want to, you know? So what is that? Oh, look at that cloud. It looks like a wolf, you know? When you see, yeah, it looks like a wolf. See? Eyes and head here, the nose there. And now it seems like it's opening. Maybe a dragon also. Yeah, you see that? I hope. Well, this was a long video. But I will sit there and enjoy the thunder outside, as always. I'm one of a kind. I go out when it's thunder. It's more likely to find me on my porch when it's thunder than sun. I wish everybody listen, happy Tuesday, and hope everybody's doing fine. I'm still doing readings, but I do a lot of readings private. So you can always contact me on earthangeltarot@hotmail.com, and I will fit you in there. If you have any questions about love, health, or anything you want to know anything about or have advice about. So have a blessed Tuesday, everybody. Miss and love you all, and take care and enjoy the summer. And soon is summer solstice, so enjoy. But I think I will maybe do a live if I just can get my oh, look at this. I must film him now. Yeah, it's for you, you know? He knows that now. Am I crazy for talking to the birds? Bye everybody. Take care.